In today's video, I'm going to need to teach you how to add tags in Notion. Tags are a simple, flexible way to organize your notes, projects, and tasks so you can slice and filter your work without changing your actual content. We'll walk through turning on a tag field in a database and creating reusable tags you can apply anywhere in that database. Start by opening the database where you want to use tags, then click into any page inside that database. This opens the page with its properties visible at the top. If you're not seeing properties, make sure you're working in a database page or a database view, not a regular standalone page. Next, look for the option to add a new property, usually labeled Add Property. Click it. This creates a brand new column that will appear for every item in your database, not just the page you're viewing. Think of a property as a consistent field, like status, priority, or in our case, tag, that you can use everywhere in the database. When the property type menu appears, choose multi-select. This is important. Multi-select lets you add more than one tag to a single item. If you pick select instead, you'd be forced to choose only one. Multi-select is what makes tags so powerful for grouping by topic, context, or workflow. Rename the new property to tag. A short, clear name helps teammates recognize its purpose immediately. You can use tag or tags, either is fine, but keep it consistent across your workspace so filters and templates remain predictable. Now, click into the tag cell for the page you opened and start typing the first tag you want to use. Notion will show a small drop-down. If the tag doesn't exist yet, you'll see an option to create it. Click Create to add it as a reusable option. From now on, that tag will appear in the list for every item in this database. Repeat this process to add as many tags as you need, clicking Create each time for new ones, or simply selecting existing ones from the dropdown. A few quick tips to make tags work even better. Keep tag names short and descriptive so they're easy to scan. Avoid near duplicates like design and designs to prevent confusion, and after creating a tag, you can assign it a color to make your database easier to scan at a glance. As your system grows, consistent naming and color usage go a long way. That's it. You've added a tag property, chosen a multi-select, named it clearly, and created tags you can reuse across your entire database. Now you can sort, group, and filter your information more effectively without changing your content.